The next thing you can do is get a business card. Now, getting a business card is not that expensive anymore. You can go to vistaprint.com, you can go to moo.com, and you can go to fiverr.com, get a design made for $5, or you can do it yourself on your computer on vistaprint.com. You can simply go and design your card yourself for free, and then they charge $6 to ship you the cards to your home absolutely free. Moo.com does the same thing. Their cards are a little better quality. You can get them for free to your home, for your friends and yourself. Now you have your own business card. And when you give a business card, how do you do that? You present it like this. You don't just hand it over like that. You have to present it properly. And remember to have, wear your suit, wear your best clothes, wear your prom clothes, wear your wedding clothes, and then get a really good photo where you, for example, you stand on the right side and then you look like this. And that is the kind of photo you want on all your social media profile. You want that photo on all your LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and on your Facebook profile so that people can identify you as somebody who's actually trying to do something. Our intention says more than our just our saying. When people see that you are actually trying to be professional, they will treat you professionally. Having a business card makes you feel that you actually own something. The business card doesn't cost a lot of money, but when you give it to your father, your mother, your friends, it makes you feel really good. So I strongly recommend that you get a business card made. They're not very expensive. You can get a one design on fiverr.com, or you can go to vistaprint.com and you can just design them yourself. Make sure that you have a really good photo of yourself on the card, and it should be the same photo which you have on your Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Use that photo, get the card design, and now order them from vistaprint.com or moo.com, and now you have a business card. It'll cost you $5, but when you get that card and you give it to someone like this, it'll make you feel like $1 billion. And that will allow you to really, you have to have that adrenaline rush in your body in order to do your business. So this small little investment on yourself will help you go further. Some people say that business cards are out of fashion. I don't agree with that, because if you have a photo and your name and you meet someone, the chances are they will forget you, but they will have a card which will remind them of you more often.